Jam breezes carry 20 years of pride. Quartz precision takes with time as a guide. Mirrors reflect innovation's bright light. Our tomato gets hum through endless nights. Sexy and intelligence forging tomorrow's Sam. Global hands united creating designs. Seasonal wonders where creativity aligns. Customized vision spark the long assembly line. Steel symphony in 8,000 square meters play. Designers melt sunlight in their blueprint bay. Round the clock rhythms never fade away. Your concepts blossom in our porcelain array. From clay to crystal shades we engineer. Every partner's vision